Stubson here. In this clip, I'm going to make a file that has a list of images to be displayed as wallpapers. I want each line of the file to have one image, and I want that to be the full path name to that image. Let's open up a terminal to get started. In my user share backgrounds folder, I have some images that I've downloaded. If I just use ls, and then redirect that to a file called wallpaper list, and then I view that file. It did give all the files, but it didn't include the absolute path. I'm going to use the find command in order to do this. Do a find. There we go. That's what we want, with one exception. It's actually also included the folder name here. We don't want the folder name, we just want image files. I can fix this by adding an asterisk here. There we go. That's what we want. I'm going to take this command and redirect the output back into my wallpaper list file. Now when I view wallpaper list, you can see I have all these files. Each line is one image file, and it's the absolute path name to that image. I've also downloaded some images and put them in my home Stubson downloads folder. You can see I'm currently in /home/Stubson. Beneath that, I have a downloads folder, and in the downloads folder, I have 3 images that I've downloaded. I want to add them to the wallpaper list. I want to append to the very end of that file. So I'm going to use the exact same file command. Give it the full path name here. Remember the asterisk so we don't include the folder. Let's just look at the output of this before we redirect. That works. You see I got the 3 files in full absolute path. So now instead of doing a single greater than symbol, I'm going to do a double greater than symbol. That will cause these 3 lines to be added to the very end of that file. Let's go look at that file now. And sure enough, you can see I have the original 7 images that were in user share backgrounds, and now I have the 3 images in home Stubson downloads. This file is going to be used later in a script that I'm going to write that will cycle through these wallpapers. And the way that script is going to work is the very first line of this file is going to be the next wallpaper to be displayed. When you execute the command, it will take this image, it will put it in the background, and then it will modify this file so that this one line now goes to the very bottom of the file. And that's what I got for y'all today. Thank you very much.